How strong can a cable charging be? Well, apparently strong enough to tow a freaking car. So this is Anker's new lineup of charging cables called the Powerline Plus. It's available for both Lightning and micro USB versions with 4 different colors to choose from. It also comes with a premium pouch so that they can be easily stored and carried, which means no tangles. The cables are made out of Kevlar fiber and double-braided nylon for that extra strength, and because of the Powerline's laser-welded connectors, Anker claims that these cables will last 10 times longer than regular cables with at least 10,000 plus band lifespan. All of that on top of their awesome 18-month warranty. At this point, it doesn't make sense not to make the switch to these cables. But you know what? It's really easy to claim all of these ridiculous numbers. Let's go ahead and see how strong these cables really are. Alright, so we are here to test out and see if Anker's new Powerline Plus micro USB cable is strong enough to tow a 1.5 ton 2007 Hyundai Accent. So here it is. This is the cable we're going to be using, as you can tell. It's brand new. It is 10 feet, so hopefully long enough to construct this test. Let's go and tie this thing up. Brianne, if you're watching this video, I'm sorry. I promise I won't crash your car. In Anker, we believe. Alright, so we're gonna basically do a little loop here. Make sure it's nice and snug. Double knot it. Good to go.
Yeah.
Alright, so the real question is, does it still charge? So I got here an Anker power bank and my Galaxy S7. We're gonna check it out and see if it still charges. So let's do this. Oh my god, it is live. The lights are lighting up and we see a battery icon or charging icon on the phone.